Have you ever wondered why we have landscape? Sure, it's an obvious answer. It's lovely to gaze upon and keeps the soil from blowing away. However, it also helps reduce our stress. The American Society of Landscape Architects, in a recent article, said numerous studies have shown that access to trees and green spaces calm us and help to alleviate stress. The Hideaway Golf Club understands the positive effect of beautiful groundskeeping by investing in landscape architecture and floriculture for the enjoyment and health benefits of their residents. For this reason, Hideaway Golf Club reached out to Organic Distributors, Inc. to support their quest. Join us as we document the installation of sod on a serene, palm-lined street in Southern California. We see the curving landscape bed prepared for planting, while the professionals at Conserve Land Care use the latest soil amendment technology, American Hydrosoil, to conserve water and ensure quick establishment and greater survival of the grass. American Hydrosoil was spread on smooth beds of desert sand, which provides a layer of organics with the compost, humates, and rice hull ash. This blend can retain water long after the irrigation water has percolated through the soil. The unique feature of our rice hull ash soil amendment is it provides a continuous source of water available to the plant. The sod is laid over the amendment and then watered. We return 2 weeks later to a lush, green lawn, rooted and fully established. The rice hull ash will remain in the soil indefinitely, conserving water and ensuring the survival of the plants for years to come. American Hydrosoil, brought to you by Organic Distributors, Inc., doing our share to keep the landscape green.